Okay, so this morning we go here in the market together with Eliza and Chloe. So to buy uniform for Eliza. So mag-fit sa taha. Okay, so we will buy set for you. As well as later on we will buy school supplies and shoes, right? You need shoes. Okay, so maghuwat sa ta sa kuan sa staff for the necktie as well as the socks, right? Okay. So, mauni siyang undersets. So, we do prefer Eliza to have 2 sets of uniform as well as socks. And I also, both Chloe, socks also. Okay. So, i-fit sa nimo day ha, if sakto ba nimo imuhang uniform. So dili na lang niya sukdon. Okay ra to?
Same na ko ang size meron.
Okay. Sige day, sit down na lang day Eliza. We will wait for the resibo. Ha. Here, notebook, day. Tanaw daw mo ato tong set nga notebook. Na, Chloe? Each one die, each one of different colors. That is writing notebook for Eliza, right? Okay, so each one different colors. In school there are color coding, right, for the notebook. I-try ang ballpen day if moagi ba. Dili sa paper. Sa paper ibuta na. Try dira, try. If moagi. So for Chloe, your notebook is yarn notebook, right? And it is composition notebook. Okay, choose Chloe. Pili. How about ball pen also? Eliza, get paper for grade 3. You like that bag, Eliza? Okay. Ano day? Put here. Put. Okay. Eliza, Chloe. So, unsa pa may laki nga wala pa nato napalit? Shoes, right? Okay, so later on we will buy shoes as well as Jollibee. Okay? So, you will bring home Jollibee as well. Happy? Eliza, okay, try your shoes. If fit ba nimo ha? Try day. How about you, Chloe? Pagpili, yan, sakto nimo. Try na, Eliza. Si size si Montiil day. Ha? Okay, pangita ka. Tabangi si Eliza day. So, Fitra. Okay, how about you, Eliza? Okay, kana imong ganahan? Okay. So, sakto ra dili huot? Okay, very good. So, ato na ta sa counter. Ato na ipa-counter. How about your bag, Chloe? Wala pa? Okay, fine ra ta. Okay. So, may ganahan mo nga bag, day? Okay. Na nga last. Okay. Liza, you like that one? Choose. Aka na? Kanay mong ganahan? Oh, kana na lang day. Nice ra maka. Masud, aka nang masud ang imong gamit. Masud ra ato? Okay. Okay, so magpa-counter na ta. Okay, line na mo for the counter. Pila tanan, ma'am?
795, ma'am.
Chloe, you already received 2 buckets of chicken, right? Okay, so eat together with your family. Gaja, let's go home. Okay, so Chloe and Eliza, we're already done to our mission to boss school supplies, uniform, bag, shoes, as well as 2 bags of Jollibee Chicken Joy. Okay, so bye-bye. Ulit naman sa inyo ha. Then, mangaon mo sa inyo ha. Jollibee together with your family. Okay, bye-bye na. Sige, ato na. Kamu na. Naka na mo.